Hello guys, this is Vaish. So this is the fourth episode of history because we started on December 5 and that time we did ancient history, then we did medieval, then we did modern, and now we are doing art and culture in this episode. So next week again we'll go back to ancient. Like that every week it will be a different thing. Okay, and Monday is for history, so December 26 it is. Please don't wait for New Year's. Before that it will start being serious about this exam. You have to focus on yourself, okay, because nobody from outside is going to come and force you to study. Okay, how much ever you get motivation from outside, only your internal motivation, that is what is going to help you clear this exam. Okay, nobody has become a topper by listening to 100 mentors. You need one mentor, and you need if needed one or two friends who are studying for UPSC. But if it's not there also, it's okay, because most of the toppers you see, they have not done any combined studies. Okay, they have minded their own business, they have gone to coaching, they have not gone to coaching. Whatever they did it alone. Okay, and that is why they are toppers. So please focus on yourself. Okay, every day we are teaching you 5 MCQs from a different subject. Different teachers are doing it for you. A lot of effort is involved in this, so please see to it that you are subscribing and supporting us. Okay, because we want to keep this active for till the prelims date, then after that till the next new year. We want to do it every day for you. Okay, so please hit subscribe, it's a free thing, and hit the bell icon so that you know that 9 p.m. this thing is going to come. Because if you hit the bell icon 8:30, your mobile will get a notification, okay, from YouTube. So that time you'll come to know, okay, I have to be ready, 9 o'clock the session is going to come. Okay, and live chat is open, you can participate there, because more you participate, we feel like, okay, we are doing justice to your preparation. Okay, so please see to it that you are again WhatsApping me, because when you WhatsApp, I'll give you the foundation videos from which you have to start. Okay, after foundation only, then you have to watch all these playlists in order, then only your preparation will be good. If you directly take some economics or Lakshmikant or something, you will feel like you are understanding things, but actually when you come to the exam paper, you will not be able to solve it because your foundation was weak. So please get the foundation first from WhatsApp number. Okay, so here today, first art and culture question, MCQ number 1. Jagmohan in Odisha style of temple architecture refers to what? Okay, so this word you would have heard multiple times. Odisha also, there are different, very, very nice temples are there. Big architectural marvels are there. So you have to know, what does Jagmohan refer to? Is it the tallest tower of the temple? Then the raised platform on which the temple is built, the subsidiary shrines, or the connecting halls or mandabas in the temple? So what is this Jagmohan part related to? Okay, so in my lectures and all, when we did, okay, we have also class 11th fine arts one playlist is there, and we have Nitin Singhania another playlist where detailed videos are there. Okay, it's very, very detailed. Okay, which I think more than 30-40 episodes we have done for Nitin Singhania. Okay, so because of lack of response we stopped it. So if you go and watch it, you will find every temple structures detailing there, and questions come directly from there. From last prelims, direct questions were there in that. Okay, so here Jagmohan refers to which part of the temple in Orissa style? So here the answer will be D, the connecting halls or the mandabas in the temple. Okay, there will be connecting halls, where the main shrine will be there, and on top of that, the tallest thing, Shikhara and all will be there, and the entry or one dance corridor kind of thing is there, and there is a connecting hall. Okay, so these connecting halls are the mandabas in the temple. Okay, this area is called the Jagmohan. Okay, so that again, if you see, details are mentioned here, especially in Orissa style. This is the naming convention. Every place it's different. Okay, you should know basically there is this Dravidian style which is in the south, and the other one Nagara style which is there in the north, and then we have this Vesara style also. Okay, there are different styles. You have to know there's a combination of styles. Then the some will have, like south temples will have a compound wall outside it. North Indian temples need not have. Then there will be a temple lake kind of thing. Okay, a temple pond kind of thing inside the South Indian for mandatory, but in North you will not find it. So like that, there are some differences, basic differences, about which questions keep coming in the exam. Okay, last 2-3 years they are not asked in this section, so I am expecting that in 2023-24 and all, they will come back to this topic. Okay, because there is you just buy any previous year question booklet, okay, that in whichever publication which I told you in the book list video, you will see that a lot of questions are there from this temple area. Okay, even in mains they ask. Okay, mains they ask a lot of things like explain the basic differences between these temple architectures and all. So here from Wikipedia also I've taken the basic information. You can pause and read. Examples are also given. Rajarani temple here, this Hoysala times and Chalukya times, there are a lot of Vesara style temple. In Dravida we have something called the Vimana, okay, which is equivalent to the Shikhara which is there in the north. So this again, my students will get detailed PDFs. Okay, so don't worry, in the test PDF you will get all these things. But others who are not enrolling, at least pause this and read this much at least from Vaishya. Okay, because remaining you are dependent on whichever institute you feel is better than Vaishya. But so please focus. Okay, at least this much you take it down. Now, second one, The story of the demon Mara and Buddha is famous for which mudra of Buddha? Okay, the mudras of Buddha is also one topic from which UPSC asks question. There are many, like 16 to 21 mudras, you can get it, and that also with the pictures is there in my test PDF. Okay, so here this story of a demon Mara with the Buddha, is it the Abhaya Mudra? Is it the Bhumi Sparsha Mudra? Is it the Varda Mudra or the Dharma Chakra Mudra? Which mudra was there? Okay, because every mudra, you know, it will be there as part of a story also. So this story is written there in your NCERT textbook with pictures. So you are expected to know this. Okay. So please see to it that you are taking it seriously. In the live chat, I want more participation. Okay. So here the answer will be Bhumi Sparsha Mudra. Okay, so that story also I can show you like this. If you see, he's touching the ground with one hand. So in Buddha statues with the Sparsha Mudra, the Buddha, more specifically, the historical Sakyamuni Buddha, is seen seated with his right hand as a pendant over the right knee, reaching towards the ground with the palm inward while touching the lotus throne. Okay. In the meantime, the left hand can be seen with the palm upright in his lap. Okay, so left hand is here, right hand is touching. So that is Bhumi Sparsha. Okay, touching the earth. Okay, Bhumi Sparsha. So here, the gesture represents the moment of the Buddha's awakening as he claims the earth as the witness of his enlightenment. Okay, because nobody is there. He's telling the earth at itself like, you are witness of my enlightenment. Okay, he's touching the earth and telling that. So before that enlightenment, what happened was, there is a demon Mara who tried to frighten him with the armies of demons and monsters, including his daughters, who tried to tempt him, okay, tempt Buddha to get out of meditation under the Bodhi tree. Okay, while the demon Mara claimed the throne of enlightenment for himself, his demon army claimed to be the witness. Okay, so because the demon is telling, I am the one who is enlightened, and there is witness to me, the witness, there are a lot of army men with me, so they are telling like, I am the one who is enlightened. So Buddha wanted someone as a witness. Okay, so Mara challenged Siddhartha about the witness. Then the former prince reached out his right hand to touch the earth, as it is believed that earth itself roared. Okay, so that time it's believed that the earth itself then shouted back or roared back like, I bear you the witness. Hearing the roar from the earth itself, earth herself, the demon king disappeared. Okay, the following morning saw the first appearance of the one who is awakened, the Buddha. Okay, so this is the day when he got enlightened under the Bodhi tree, and the earth is the witness, and that is why the Bhumi Sparsha Mudra. Okay, hence it is believed that this is the thing. So whatever I told. So this is victory over the temptation by Demon King Mara. So this story, if you know, then Bhumi Sparsha Mudra is clear for you. Like this, for every mudra, there will be a story or something written in the NCERT books. Study that, and one time you learn, I'm sure after 5 years I come and ask you also, if you're preparing UPSC or not, you will still remember the story. Okay. That is how stories and videos and pictures on helps you to understand better. So again, here more details are there. It is not only representing the defeat of Mara, but also representing the unwavering or firmness shown by Buddha while he was in pursuit of enlightenment. Okay, remaining you just pause and read. Okay, it's about his wisdom and skill and all these things. Question number 3. Maitreya is a future character to be born related to Zoroastrianism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism. Okay, so one of the religion you have to choose, like a future character will be born in this particular name, Maitreya, as per whose beliefs. So this is a previous year question. So previous year question, it was in a different name. I'll show you that name also when we tell the answer. So if you are done answering, answer is C, Buddhism. UPSC question, they asked Maitreya, okay, because Maitreya in Sanskrit they tell Maitreya, in Pali they tell Maitreya is regarded as future Buddha. Okay, so that belief is there. So that is why UPSC asked this, and that time students were confused like from where to study all these things. That's why I'm telling, please join any good test series. They will teach you these things. Okay, and it's there in the Wikipedia. So remaining, just pause and read. Buddha, Sakyamuni Buddha, White Lotus. Then Buddha's mother, Maya related lot of stories are there. That also you have to know. All these things are very, very important, okay, because UPSC have asked a lot of questions. Every year, one question, or at least once the term Buddha or Jainism will be there in a question paper. You take any PDF soft copy and do Control F and type Buddhism or Jainism, you will get at least one question, okay. So it's up to you whether you want to skip this topic or not. Question number 4. The largest Chaitya Griha in India are discovered in, okay. So Chaitya Griha, you should know what is Chaitya Griha first. So Kanheri Caves in Mumbai, Karle Caves in Pune, Lomas Rishi Caves, Ajanta Caves. Please try visiting all these places also whenever you are on vacation and all these things. Please go and visit the historical places, okay, whether it's Buddhism related, Jainism or Hinduism or Islam, whichever. Everybody's architecture is brilliant, okay. So you have to go and visit. It's not like only Taj Mahal I'll go, or only the temple in my hometown I'll go. It's not like that. Okay, you should go everywhere and visit. As a UPSC student, you will feel very good, okay, seeing all these monuments. So the largest Chaitya Griha in India are discovered in, answer is B, the Karle caves in Pune. So it is the largest one, and then this Kaneri caves is the second largest one. Okay, this is largest one, and this is second largest one. So you know, Chaitya is a place of worship, and Vihara is the residence hall. Okay, where you reside is the Vihara, and the place of worship is Chaitya. So the largest Chaitya Griha is in Karle caves in Pune. So here details are given again. Different names are there: Karla cells, Karle caves, Karli caves. These are complex of ancient Buddhist Indian rock cut caves at Karle near Lonavala, Maharashtra. Okay, so it's developed over a period 2nd century BC to 5th century AD, and the oldest is believed to like 160 BC. So like this, it's a major trade route also. So like this, you can read. Okay, cave number 8. This much detailing UPSC won't ask you. Just for interest, you can read. Okay, Satavahana rulers also made lot of grants for construction of these caves. So who are the rulers, or which are the kingdoms, and the timeline involved, that at least you by heart and keep, and note it down. Okay, all these things. Just go and find out the locations of these things also. Where is Lomas caves, where is Ajanta caves and all, and what are the deities or gods there. Now, the last one, Tal Rasak, Danda Rasak, Mandal Rasak are 3 styles of which Indian dance? Dance is again a very favorite topic of UPSC. There are 8 classical dances about which everything you have to know. Okay, everything means what are the, like, these kind of things. What are the different styles, like whether male and female both dancers are there, whether it's a solo dance or a group dance, whether any famous personalities related to that, or any other terminology is there, or whether like any king like Akbar or anybody had like patronage over all these things. Many things you have to know. 8 classical dance is mandatory for UPSC students to study, and in my test series we have covered it in detail. Okay, main source is the textbooks, or there is the website called CCRT. Okay, CCRT website you go, and then there you will get detailed notes, and from that notes only I have prepared my test PDF. So my PDFs, if you have, you are good to go. Okay, you need to study only that much. So options: Mohiniyattam, Kuchipudi, Manipuri, Kathak. These are 4 among those 8 dances which I told. Remaining also you should know. Okay, if you know, in comment section tell which are the other dances. So here these styles are of which Indian dance? Answer will be C, Manipuri. Okay, so please see to that you are studying everything about this dance. So 3 styles are Tal Rasak, Dand Rasak and Mandal Rasak. See, it's like clapping is there. This also UPSC asks, like, it is accompanied by clapping. They have only one instrument. They use that instrument. They are like dedicated to Ramayana. They are dedicated to Mahabharata, or Krishna is the main deity. This kind of every single detailing they have asked in the past. Okay, so it's a combination of Indian and Southeast cultures. Tandav, Lasya, see the detailing. This much pointers with highlighting of all the important thing. Okay, like the male and female, what they are called, everything, the instruments which they are used, the dress which they wear. Then see the personality, the poetry of Jayadev is there. Every detailed factual thing from CCRT website you will get it like a continuous para. I have taken it and made it bullet points. So you study my PDF. I am guaranteeing you that UPSC will not ask beyond this. Okay, so here again Sankirtana and Thangta martial art dance, which was last year's question. So please see to that you are preparing everything in detail from a correct source. Okay, so this is the questions for today, and please see to it that you are practicing more and more questions. For history, you have to read these textbooks: Spectrum, R.S. Sharma, Satish Chandra, Nitin Singhania, Tamil Nadu textbook. Every textbook you have to read, and we have video lectures for almost everything for free, and we have test series in detail for them, which I will show you in the next slide. NCRT 6 to 8 and 12 is mandatory. In between 9, 10, 11, which is there, 9, 10, 11 is more for mains. Okay. And then world history specific books are Norman Law and Arjun Dev. One is English author, one is Indian author. Both are good. You can use both. Then learn according to timeline. Okay, when you study something, you have to learn like, okay, after Gupta came this one, after that one came Satavahana, after that came the next one. That timeline you should know. Okay, only then you will be able to relate all the kingdoms. And names is important, chronology is important, the culture part is important, books is important. Then last only the events like the war, battle, treaties, that are all last, because UPSC nowadays is not asking much questions. Even if they ask, one question will come. But the other section is where 8 to 10 questions comes. Okay, so please see to that you are studying. We have 16 tests in history, and this set alone you can buy if you are a serious aspirant. Lifetime validity PDF it is, and no questions will come outside from this from history. Okay, even if it comes, it will be very difficult, which nobody can attempt. Okay, the basic ones which every topper studies, it will be there in my PDF. So these are different packages you can tell. Spectrum is there, R.S. Sharma plus Satish Chandra is there, NCRT alone is there, art and culture from NCRT and Nitin Singhania is there, or you can buy the combo pack, which is the best seller, and that is what is having everything. Okay, all the things together. 1600 MCQ plus detailed explanation, thousands of pages of PDF. This is going to be enough for you. Okay, you can quickly complete before the prelims and you will be scoring 100 plus marks like all our students since 2017. Okay, so next episode will come tomorrow. Again, 5 MCQs. Please follow every single teacher. They are all putting a lot of effort. Hit subscribe and WhatsApp me. You will never regret joining Vaishya IAS. Thank you and have a nice day.